The future continuous tense describes an action that will be happening at a specific moment in the future. It helps talk about something that will already be in progress at a certain time. For example, if it is 8 o'clock tomorrow, you may say, I will be studying. That means the studying will already be happening at that future time. The structure of the future continuous tense is very simple. It is formed with the subject, followed by the words will be, and then the verb plus the ending ing. For example, I will be reading. You will be working. This tense shows that an action will be going on during a certain future time. Remember, will be plus the ing form of the verb is the key pattern. The first use of the future continuous is to describe an action that will be in progress at a particular future time. It emphasizes that the action will already be happening when that moment arrives. For example, at 10 in the morning tomorrow, I will be driving to work. The driving will be happening at that future time. The second use of the future continuous is to talk about an action that will form the background when another action takes place in the future. For example, she will be watching television when you arrive. The watching will already be happening when the other action, arriving, occurs. This use helps describe the setting or background of another event. The third use of the future continuous is for polite or predictable actions. It sounds softer and more natural when speaking about arrangements or routines. For example, he will be joining us for dinner tonight. In this sentence, the tense shows that the action is planned or expected, and it also sounds more polite than simply saying he will join us. The fourth use is to describe ongoing situations that are expected to happen in the future. It shows what someone believes or predicts will be taking place at that time. For example, they will be traveling around Europe this summer. This means that during that time, traveling will be the ongoing activity. The future continuous tense often uses certain time expressions to indicate when the action will happen. These include phrases like at this time tomorrow, at 9 in the evening next week, this time next year, when plus another future action, and expressions such as all day, all night, or all week. For example, this time next week, I will be relaxing on the beach. These phrases help clearly show the future point of time during which the action will be ongoing. In summary, the future continuous tense describes an action that will be in progress at a particular time in the future. It is formed with the subject, will be, and the verb ending in ing. It is used for actions that will be ongoing, polite, or predictable, and for setting a background or making future predictions. Time references like at 8 in the evening or this time tomorrow can help make the meaning clear. For example, tomorrow at noon, we will be having lunch together.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.